Nan, Lubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Wern, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Angeles City.
Yes.
And this is to feature Bean There.
Yes. So actually, we've been there. Dun sa previous location po nila, and we were invited to let us know na they have moved to a bigger, larger, better, napaka-romantic na place, bro.
Actually, talagang mapapa-Bean There ka, lalong-lalong sa bagong location nila. So this is located dito sa may Fajardo Street, Salapungan, Angeles City.
Yeah, so we're gonna let you know, guys, kung ano po yung mga sinerve nila sa atin, as well as the place. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Actually, what I like about this place is yung location nga. Yung new place nila is actually really fit for a date. And at the same time, when you go here, meron po silang car wash area in which you can actually, you know, get your car washed and at the same time get a coffee or a meal. And then if you're with your family, they can actually roam around dito po. You're gonna have your family inside the property and while you're enjoying the food. So tara, family is already there, and let's check out the food. So yun nga, guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. This is our setup for today. Thank you so much, Bean There. Bro, what can you say about the place?
Actually, yung place, mas malaki na siya ngayon. More parking.
Yes. Yep.
Meron tayong Fresco, meron din tayong air condition, and mas marami ka nang magagawa.
Alright, so there you go. Let's dig in to the meat of the details. Ito yon, mga pagkain at mga refreshments. Tingnan mo naman yung menu, bro.
Actually, meron tayo dito mga salad, soup, meron tayong meal, meron tayong mga appetizer, pizza, and yung baby back.
Okay. This is a pumpkin salad. Yeah. First time, bro. First time.
Actually, syempre ako may pumpkin salad, meron din pumpkin soup.
Yes. Yeah. Meron din tayo dito baby back ribs, which is, look at this, bro.
Same time, meron tayo dito kanilang Philly cheese steak.
For the burgers, this is new to us. This is a kimchi burger. This is the truffled pasta. Meron din tayong parmigiana, which is
ito,
na-feature din natin before. Yeah.
Meron din tayo, syempre, yung kanilang Bean There pizza, signature pizza, garlic shrimp pizza na roll.
Pizza roll.
Yes.
Correct.
Yung kanilang pan-grilled pusit. At saka itong pulled pork fries.
Pulled pork fries. Ayun. Ooh, look at that. So creamy.
Yun, ako naman yung kanilang salad. Tingnan natin yung salad nila. So ito is isa sa mga bago nilang menu na hindi natin na-feature last time.
Oh, wow. First off, ang sarap nung yung parang pinaka sauce, yung gravy ng salad. Oh, wow. Yun, I got the first bone. Ito yun.
Habang tinitingnan mo yung kanilang baby back, ako naman yung kanilang Philly cheese steak. You know? Actually, napaka-cheesy niya.
Yeah, I agree.
And syempre, tikman na natin. Cheesy. Tapos meaty. So for our drinks, meron tayong Spanish latte, white roasted almond, yogurt avocado.
This one.
Yun. Yes, meron tayong sea salt latte, strawberry milk, and java chips.
Okay.
Yan.
Wow. Actually, this is new to my taste. A little bit sour because of the yogurt, pero so fruity because of the avocado.
Actually, yung kanilang java chips parang dark chocolate man yung ginamit nila. Yung may bitterness ng konti.
Really? Wow. Pusit, the pan-grilled pusit. Ayan. Ayan, nakahati na siya para sa atin, guys. Okay. Ito siya. There you go. Oops. Yun. Siyempre, masarap din siya with sa kanyang
rice. Ako naman yung kanilang signature Bean There pizza.
Yeah.
Ayan. You know, so makikita naman talagang punong-puno, meat and
mukha
cheese.
pa lang, bro, ang bigat na eh.
You know?
Sheesh.
Wow. Garlic shrimp pizza roll.
Yeah.
Ayan, no? Actually, ito naka-roll na. May alpha.
And then another must try and new is yung kanilang pulled pork fries. Look at that. Ayan, oh. Pulled pork fries plus real jalapenos. Ito yun, guys. Ito yun. Alright, trying it. Oh, wow.